Continuing electronics course. Speaking now about multimeter, how to use multimeter. We can use to measure DC voltage, we can measure resistance, we can measure AC voltage, current, DC ampere, high current, AC voltage, DC voltage, ohm, small current, common connection here. The connector, if I would like to seek measure current, I use a clamp ampere instead of clamp ampere. I have two connectors here, one for the high current and the other for the common. Measuring voltage يبقى الميدل one, and it's displays here ECV, DCV, ohm, small current. So common is common for both voltage and current, but only I use the upper one in case of measuring current. And measuring current, I have to put the connection in series. Okay, and this is need to open the circuit, cut it, and connect the multimeter in series to measure the current. Another device, it's clamp ampere. This not need to connect in series, but I just it's like a ring. I open the ring and put it around the load. It will measure the current passing through the load according to the inductance. الحس الذاتي اللي هو متولد من سريان التيار الكهربي في الموصل اللي انا بقيسه. Multimeter scales. Here I am connecting it in parallel to measure the battery voltage, and here this is connecting it in series to measure the current in a circuit, which I discussed before in the last slide. And prototyping board, how to connect what prototyping. We speak here about multimeter, how to use it, and what it usage. But here speaking about prototyping board. Prototyping board helping me to doing experiment and to connect electric circuit or electronic circuits using capacitors, inductors, resistors, batteries, Arduino boards, any transistor, diodes, any type of diodes, and I connect it. But here we have a rule or a fact that every 5 holes are connected in a column are treated as 1 point. So and in the horizontal picture, which all holes along X and Y rows are connected. Okay, هنا all holes along X and Y rows are connected. Okay, horizontal holes here في the bottom and the left, horizontal holes are linked together horizontal, okay, but not across the middle divider. يبقى هنا الكولوم connected together في الأولاني اللي فوق دي، لكن مش في الكروس اللي بينهم ده مفيش connection. خلي بالك كمان ان all holes along X and Y rows are connected. يعني في الإكس والواي دول اللي هو باللون الريد دول connected. I can connect them with VCC, high voltage, or ground. Okay. Every circuits are better animated. Every circuit is a website. You can design your circuit virtual. You can test and measure. You can put the values for inductance, for resistance, and enter inputs V as current, DC or AC, as voltage, DC or AC, and vary the capacitance values and the inductance values and resistance values, and it changes the components and the models of components, diodes, operation amplifiers, transistors, BJT transistor, any electronic element, and you can get the output and the measure and the change until you get the output and use your calculations. Okay, this is everycircuit.com. You can, I encourage you to use it. It's a very nice and very helpful website. Thanks for listening. I hope you to join our channel. I hope you to write your comments in our work. uh, Subscribe in the channel for any updates or any videos. Thanks for listening. You can send us through any link in the social media. Thank you.